What's up, guys? Clay at Mallard Motors here, home of the $100 credit challenge. That's where we give you $100 cash money if we're unable to get your credit approved. What we're looking at here is a 2011 model GMC Yukon Denali. This one actually has the 6.2 liter V8, the bigger size engine, and it's all-wheel drive. Nice bright white color. Got new headlights on the front. Got fog lights on the front as well. Tow hooks also. Got the chrome grille, chrome door handles, chrome trim on the side of the body. Got some chrome plated 20-inch alloy wheels there. And got some tread left on the tires. This thing has keyless entry, and I believe it has remote start also. Yeah, there you go. So that'll be good for the winter and get it all warmed up before you have to get in it. You can also turn it off that way too. Yeah. 3 rows of seats. I think you can seat 7 people in there. Got the parking sensors on the back. Got a towing package underneath that cover right there. Got your backup camera on there. It does have the automatic lift gate on the back. Oh, and you got the blinkers on the side mirrors, if you can see that. Leather interior. Captain's chairs in the second row. Bench seat in the third. You got climate control for the back. Got heated seats in the second row. You also got your own little radio back here you can hook up to. And it also has those fold down TV screens. We've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. They're even power fold mirrors. Got heated and cooled seats in the front 2 seats and programmable seat memory. Power seats in the front 2 seats. Got a sunroof up there. You got the power adjustable steering wheel. You even got a heated steering wheel option on there. Alright, we have 160,000 miles on the dash. Cruise control on the steering wheel and controls for the radio. Nice big touchscreen media center, built-in navigation. Backup camera on there. Dual climate control in the front. Power adjustable pedals. Got CD player, auxiliary input. I think you got Bluetooth also. Alright, if you're interested in this one, give me a phone call. I'd be happy to get you more information about it. You can reach me at 870-639-9200.